Welcome to another tutorial for the Computer Assisted Role-Playing Game. Since CARP is a multiplayer game, you can't play it without friends. Therefore, it's important to understand the community features of CARP. The simplest community feature is making friends. You can see in this newly created account, I currently have no friends. Once I know the account name of a friend who is also signed up, I can search for that account, and once I've found it, I can send a friend request. When Bob accepts my friend request, he then shows up on my friends list, and I can interact with him and play games with him. It's important to keep an eye on the Messages tab, as new friend requests will appear here. You can also go directly to the Community tab to see if you have any pending friend requests. I can then accept this request from Frank, and now I have two friends that I can play games with. Once you have friends, you can then participate in one-shot adventures with those friends. No other work is needed to participate in a one-shot adventure with your friends. Fellowships have more features. It's easiest to understand the difference between one-shot adventures and fellowship adventures by considering why you would want to do each one. If you just want to play a game every now and then and be done when the game is over, you're going to want one-shot adventures. However, if you want to host an epic adventure that goes on for some length of time where you and your friends get together perhaps on a weekly basis, then you want to create a fellowship. To create a new fellowship, simply select a unique name and click the Create button. You can then click on the fellowship and add whatever friends you'd like as members. Inside a fellowship, characters persist from one module or adventure to another. Therefore, you have to create characters so that you can use them in your adventures. Simply select a name for your character and click the Create button. Before you play your first adventure, you want to equip your character. You don't start out with any experience, so there's no upgrades to do yet, but you do want to visit the market. For most new characters, you want to equip them with a short bow and a saber, as you have very limited funds, and this is very good starting equipment. However, you could select other equipment loads. Once you have a character, you're ready to join an adventure. Simply add your character to the adventure and offer to play it. At the end of each adventure, you should check your character first to see if there are any stats that can be upgraded. You can see I've got some experience and strength, accuracy, enough for 2 levels in accuracy, melee weapon specialization, and ranged weapon specialization. I can also visit the market to buy and sell items. I found 130 coins in this adventure, so I'm going to use it, and by selling my short bow, I'll have enough money to upgrade to a full-size bow. I hope this video provided you everything you need to know to use the community aspects of the system.